How to add delivery instructions on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart and log into your account. Click on your cart at the top right. In here, click on Go to Checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Go to Checkout, here you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here and you will find add delivery instructions. It's not available in my region, so there is no option for add delivery instructions, but you will find add delivery instructions in here. Simply click on it, add your delivery instructions, and press on save. After you do that, you can check out. And this is how to add delivery instructions on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.